Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to set up VS Code for C# and .NET 6. Okay, let's start. Before moving forward, we need to know what is .NET. .NET is an open source developer platform by Microsoft. It is free and cross-platform. And with .NET, we can use multiple languages, editors, libraries, and we can build web apps, mobile apps, desktop apps, and games. Within .NET, you have choices of multiple languages. You have C#, F#, and Visual Basic. For .NET 6, we have multiple development environments. We need to choose from these, and Microsoft already has 4 code editors, and we have another one from JetBrains. So from Microsoft, you have Visual Studio 2022 for Windows. You have Visual Studio 2022 for Mac. You have VS Code for Windows, Linux, and Mac. And you also have GitHub Codespaces, that is for cloud developer environment. And you also have JetBrains Rider. It is also cross-platform. So why choosing VS Code? It is modern and lightweight editor. It is cross-platform. I mean, you can install this one on Linux, you can install this one on Mac, and you can also install this one on Windows. And it has strong support for web development, and it is one of the most popular IDEs in the world used by professional developers. Here is a Stack Overflow survey for IDEs used by professional developers, and VS Code tops it with 71%. Lastly, we need to set up .NET with VS Code. For that, we need two things. One is .NET Core SDK, and the other thing is the extension. Whether you go with C# or F#, it's upon you. Okay, now you need to open your browser, and you can go with search bar and open this Microsoft Edge, or you can open Chrome. I'm going with Microsoft Edge. Here you need to search for .NET download, or you can simply write .NET 6, no issue. Here we have the first link, download .NET 6. Okay, and this is the official page for downloading .NET 6. Okay, here we have multiple options and variants. We are going to use this current variant 6.0, and for that we need to install the SDK, and the SDK that I am going to install for my system is going to be this one, x64 installer for Windows. If you are on Mac, you need to click this one, or it's on your system which processor it is using. And if you are on Linux, then you need to click on this one. Okay, as I am on Windows, I need to install this one. Okay, this will get installed, and we need to follow some simple steps to install this completely. But currently I'm not going to install this one for my Windows because I have another option, and another option comes from here. If you have Visual Studio and have already installed this one, I'm going to this download, and you have installed this free download variant of Community Visual Studio 2022 Community variant, and you have installed this one, then there is no need to install SDK separately. So here I have already installed this one, Visual Studio 2022 current, and it has automatically installed SDK within my system. If you don't know how to install Visual Studio 2022, you can check out my video that is given in the description. And now how to verify that SDK is installed or not. You have two options. We need to go to apps and features. Here you need to search SDK. Here it is, Microsoft.NET SDK 6.0. Okay, you have another option. You need to go to command prompt. You need to write .NET -info Okay, I'm getting the information and it is saying you have .NET SDK 6.0.10. So .NET SDK is already installed and we need to open up VS Code. Okay, now you need to open up VS Code and here it is, VS Code. If you don't have VS Code, you need to install this one, and if you don't know how to install, I have already provided a video in the description. Okay, there were two prerequisites to run .NET, and first one is complete now, the SDK. Now we need another one, that is the extension, C# extension. Okay, you need to search C#. Okay, this first one, install this one. It is installed now. Okay, now after installing C# extension, you need to create a folder here, anywhere in your directory. I'm going to open it with VS Code. This folder is empty. We don't have any files here, so I need to go to terminal. Okay, for new project, you need to use the command .NET new and alongside the project name. If you are using console app, you need to write console, or if you are going to make a web application of MVC, you need to write MVC. The question is, if you don't know which project type to use and then what to do. For that purpose, you need to write list. .NET new list. Now this command shows all the project types that you can build with VS Code and .NET 6. Okay. After that, I'm going to clear the screen, and here I'm going to create a new console app. Your console app has been successfully created, and you can see that we have got some files here. This program.cs is the main file for this console app, and here it contains a message hello world, and we need to output this one, this console. Okay, before going on there, you will always get a pop-up whenever you create a new project. This notification is used to add missing files and that are not in your project files, and we need to click yes here, and it is must one. You will always get this pop-up message. After that, you need to run the project with this command .NET run. Okay, now you have got hello world here. Fine. It is giving output to the console screen that print hello world, and this console option is being inherited from system, and this write line, it is used to write a specific string, and we can pass the value string within this method. It is predefined method by C#. Okay, now our video is complete and we have successfully set up VS Code with .NET and C#10. We will meet again in the next video for another amazing content. Take care.